In this age of air travel, satellites, and the internet, the world seems to be a smaller place. But if your company wants to do business in another country, you'll have to take into account not just international law, but also the rules and regulations of that particular country. One of the first steps is to hire legal representation in that country. A local law firm will know all the rules and regulations and will be able to make sure the required documents are submitted and everything is in order. For example, you want to begin construction in another country. This would hardly even be possible without local legal representation. Even once the construction application has been submitted, it's not a done deal. The application is analyzed by a public officer with the authority to rule on matters concerning powers of attorney and international business. Once all the paperwork is in order, the company should then make sure it's aware of the consequences of not meeting their legal obligations. The local authority will aggressively monitor the company's work in order to make sure it's in compliance with both local and international standards. And a company's failure to comply will result in heavy penalties. For example, if the company doesn't take the proper security measures and make sure the construction site is surrounded with fences, the local authority can stop the construction work altogether. In serious circumstances, when the company fails to carry out its side of the agreement, they are considered in breach of contract and can be taken to court. This may result in fines that can cost the company thousands, and in some cases, operations can be shut down permanently. In conclusion, if you want to do business in another country, you have to know the rules and regulations. Hiring a local law firm to help process your application and making sure you've complied with every rule and regulation will save your company a lot of time, effort, and money.